Hello friends, welcome to my Japanese language class. Today we are going to learn Dai Nanaka or lesson 7. In our previous class we learned de particle after vehicle in lesson 5 and also de particle after the place in lesson 6. In this lesson we are going to learn the uses of de particle after tool or mean. Okay. Please look at the example sentence. Noun, tool or means de particle verb. Knife de kami o kirimasu. Spoon de gohan o tabemasu. Fork de keiki o tabemasu. Fax de report o okurimasu. Here, knife, spoon, fork, fax, all are tools or mean we use to perform kirimasu, tabemasu, here also tabemasu, okurimasu. Okay, so kami o kirimasu, to cut the paper we used knife. Gohan o tabemasu, we used spoon to eat the rice. So here after spoon it takes de particle. Similarly after fork and fax we used de particle. Okay. Hope you understand. When we used any tool or means to perform some action, after that tool and mean we used de particle. Is that clear? We also use de particle after the language. For example, eigo de report o kakimasu. Nihongo de tegami o kakimasu. Here, eigo and Nihongo are language and we write the report. Report o kakimasu, write a report. Tegami o kakimasu, write a letter. So, after language, de particle also come. Next, word or sentence were any go, any language, de nan desu ka? For example, arigato wa doitsu go de nan desu ka? Done desu. Stapler wa Nihongo de nan desu ka? Hochikesu desu. Okay. Suppose this one. This is marker. Okay. Kore wa Nihongo de nan desu ka? Mark desu. So after language, we also use de particle. Hope you understand the uses of de particle after language. The particle de we use after the vehicle when it used as a means of transportation. Okay. For example, basu de kaisa ikimasu, densa de derie ikimasu, kuruma de uchi e kaerimasu. Next, after place, when we do some work in a place, after the place, the de particle comes. Okay. For example, eki de jashi o kaimasu, tosokan de hon o yomimasu, uchi de terebi o mimasu. Okay. Next come tool or mean. When we use any tool or any mean to perform some action, after the tool or after the mean, de particle also comes. For example, knife de cakeを切ります。スプーンでご飯を食べます。箸でうどんを食べます。Next, particle de can be used after the language. 英語でレポートを書きます。日本語で手紙を書きます。Like this. Hope you understand the uses of their particle in different situations. Okay? Now we learn particle ni. Before also we learn particle ni after the time. For example, 4時に起きます。10時に寝ます。And also after the place, for example, 学校に行きます。家に帰ります。国に帰ります。Like this. Here we use particle ni after the person to whom we give something or from whom we receive something. Okay? Let's see the example. Noun person ni あげます、教えます、かします、かけます。For example, 私はワンさんに花をあげます。私は佐藤さんに傘を貸しました。Here, ワンさん and 佐藤さん to whom I give. So, here, あげます is give. 花をあげます。I give flower to Mr. One. 佐藤さんに傘を貸しました。I lent umbrella to Miss Sato. So, here, one son and Sato san takes ni particle. Okay? Look at the second example. Noun person ni もらいます、習います、借ります。私は松本先生に日本語を習いました。I learned Japanese language from 松本先生。Okay? 私はカリナさんに CD を借りました。I borrowed CD from Miss Karina. 山田さんはミラーさんに本をもらいました。Mr. Yamada received book from Mr. Miller. Okay? Here we learn to whom we give and from whom we received. Both person takes ni particle. Sometimes we also receive something from the organization. In that sense, after the organization, instead of ni particle, it comes kara. For example, 私は銀行からお金を借りました。Okay? Hope you understand the uses of ni particle. After time, place, person. 4時に起きます。月曜日に国へ帰ります。学校に行きます。日本に来ました。山田さんに本をあげます。ミラーさんに電話をもらいました。Okay? Hope you understand the uses of ni particle as per the different situation. Now we are going to learn mo. Mo means already. It always takes past form of the verb. For example, もう手紙を書きましたか? If the answer is hi, yes, はい、書きました or はい、もう書きました。 どちらでも結構です。Okay? If answer is いいえ、no, いいえ、まだです。Okay? When we put question in more and the answer is negative, we need to use いいえ、まだです。Hope you understand the today's lesson. Before you go through the grammar portion, please read vocabulary properly and memorize it. So it will be easy to understand the grammar. Today's class is this much. Thank you for watching my class. Sayonara.